Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Let's look back to the day of Stephen's IPP meeting. This is where Vinny uses the workbook to ensure Stephen's voice is at the center of his plan. We'll see how Vinny uses person-centered thinking during Stephen's planning meeting.
Is he here yet?
Here he is now, champ!
Good morning, Cavalry family. I'm Vinny Mancuso, and I'm Stephen's new service coordinator for adult services, and I'm here to guide you through the IPP process. Okay, let's do this. Stephen, do you have any questions?
What is that?
Oh, this is a PEX board. I use it to talk with people who don't use spoken words to communicate. It's for an IPP meeting I have later this afternoon.
Oh, how many people do you support?
Over 60, and each one of them has individual needs or goals. That's why we gave you the IPP guide, so you could think about what you need. Did you have a chance to fill out your workbook?
Yes, we filled everything out.
All right, this is good.
Yes, but...
It's a solid game plan, Mancuso. Did you see the part about the Stephen cave?
It's our garage.
Yes, and we're gonna set it up for Stephen, the perfect apartment, with a big screen TV and a refrigerator. Right, champ?
Yes, but,
And he's starting a new job.
Oh, Stephen, tell me about the job.
Yes, but...
He's going to be working for a landscaping company.
I don't want a landscape!
Hey, where you going, champ?
Maybe he just needs a break.
Why don't you let me talk to him?
Honey, look at this.
Nice toss. Wish I had a backyard.
Where do you live?
Where do I live? In my parents' garage.
You do?
No, I do not. And you don't have to either, if you don't want to.
I don't know what I want.
That's okay, man. Adulting is hard. That's the point of the workbook. It helps us figure out options that make sense for your life. Let's fill out a new one together.
I already filled one out, but my parents were so excited about their plan that I didn't want to mess it up.
Steve-O, it's nice of you to care about their feelings and all, but it's not their plan. It's yours. Look, your parents are on your planning team, and so am I. Not the other way around. If you want something, you gotta tell us. Otherwise, I start guessing, and then we'll both be living in your parents' garage.
You're funny. I like you.
So what do you say we go and tell your parents what you want, so we could create your IPP together?
I would like that. A lot. Ugh.
Hi, sweetheart. Are you okay?
Mom, Dad, I know you mean well, and I love you, but...
You got this.
I filled out my own workbook. I didn't tell you because I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
We know. You dropped this.
Okay, champ. Walk us through your playbook.
You're not mad?
Of course not, sweetheart. This is your plan and your life.
Bring it in, Cavalries.
Aww.
Okay, Stephen, where do we start?
How about housing?
All right. When it comes to housing, the Regional Center helps you explore your options. You could live with people with disabilities, people without disabilities, or even by yourself.
I would like to have my own place.
Remember, Stephen, you don't like to be alone.
I hear that. Where's there a place you don't feel lonely?
Well, I love hanging out at the day program with my friends, Maya and Dexter.
Maya and Dexter? I think they live over at Sunny Oaks. Some people who receive services from the Regional Center have made Sunny Oaks their home.
That's where they live? Can I live there too?
Let me make a call, and I'll see if there's any open spots.
That's amazing, bud. Write that down.
Mancuso, what's the monthly on a place like that?
Well, let me tell you, Stephen's SSI covers most of the expenses, and the Regional Center handles the rest. Bottom line, no out of pocket.
What do you think, sweetheart?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like an individual program plan.
Exactly. Up next, employment. No landscaping, right?
Right.
Today, Vinny helped Stephen find his voice and express what he wanted. Vinny asked in-depth questions and listened for input from Stephen and his parents, and was able to elevate what was important to and for Stephen in his IPP. Remember, Person-centered planning isn't about creating better paperwork. It's about helping to create better lives.